So what is up mga tech shop, no? For today's video mga tech shop, I have here a Redmi 9T. The issue is stuck in Redmi logo. So this phone mga tech shop, I fixed this before, and then the issue returned because of the battery. So as you can see mga tech shop, it is stuck on Redmi. It shuts off, then turns on and goes back to Redmi logo. So let's go ahead and try the original battery for this phone mga tech shop, for this model. So currently the battery that is attached to this phone mga tech shop is the battery from Redmi 9A. So let's put back the original battery, which is for the Redmi 9T, and I already replaced the fusible resistance for this battery mga tech shop to fix the stuck in Redmi logo issue. And let's go ahead and attach it and test it. And as you can see, it is now turning on as it's now normal. It shows the battery and the percentage. So usually for issues where it is stuck on the logo, common issue is on the battery, especially if the customer is using the phone while charging, or if the customer dropped the phone, it's gonna damage the battery. And sometimes for the stuck in logo issue, it may cause by a hardware issue within the motherboard, or it could be an issue with the power switch. Alright, so if you're interested in this kind of video mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go.